Alright, let me present you this amazing new UI library. If you don't know what this library is, it's called Shadcn UI. Here's what you see in the new update they had just released. And if this is not the easiest way to switch out colors in your app you have ever seen, I don't know what is. It's a copy and paste library. That means you grab the components as code from the website and paste them into your app as they are. The main benefit of that is that the logic and styles of the components are 100% in your hand. You control everything. Because you use a drag and drop mechanism, you can see all the styles that we're using. For example, in this button component, BG-primary, text-primary-foreground. These are not any default colors that Tailwind brings with it, but instead, if you go into our globals.css, this right here is where we configure all those colors. This also comes from Shadcn UI, and the cool thing is, all components like the button, but many others that we use across our application, like certain text right here, the link, this right here, the button up here, all the components that come from this UI library use the same central colors from the globals.css, and that allows us to really easily switch them out. And because they're central and so easy to change, we can just select any color that we like for our application. And we can click the Customize button right here, and we can choose between the colors, select certain border radiuses that match our app, switch between light and dark mode, so we can take a look at how this will look in our app with light and dark mode, and then just click Copy Code. We can click the Copy button up here, paste it into our globals.css, and just by doing that, we have successfully replaced all the styles. And there's a bunch of example components in here as well, like a chat, for example, that you can just try out the colors for and see how they might look in your app. Wow, that's pretty cool. Do you remember the old Bootstrap days when everything just kind of looked like Bootstrap? Well, this is a really nice step in the right direction of preventing that from happening if everyone uses the same UI library. I hope you enjoyed this update as much as the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm new here and this will help a lot. Have a good one and bye-bye.